Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Robot Vacuum and Mop. A versatile cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle both wet and dry floors with ease. This innovative machine effortlessly transitions from vacuuming to mopping with a simple bin switch, utilizing a 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes to handle dirt and debris across various floor types, all while avoiding tangles with pet hair. With its specialized microfiber mop pad, the Roomba Combo i5 ensures your hard floors are left spotless. And you can even fill its tank with a compatible cleaning solution or just water for a fresh, clean finish. Thanks to its Imprint smart mapping technology, this robot learns your home's layout, allowing you to schedule cleanings or command it to clean specific rooms on demand using Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. The patented Dirt Detect technology focuses on dirtier areas for a more thorough clean, while the iRobot OS and Home app provide complete control for a personalized cleaning experience. Plus, it's compatible with the Clean-Base automatic dirt disposal, offering up to 60 days of hassle-free vacuuming, so you can spend more time doing what you love. Don't miss out on the future of home cleaning with the iRobot Roomba Combo i5. The ultimate solution for maintaining a pristine living space effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.